Hello friends and crypto enthusiasts. In today's video, we are going to be talking about smart contract. What is smart contract? How do smart contract work? We are also going to be looking at the uses of smart contract and their advantages. Also, what are the common issues with smart contract? Welcome friends and our returning subscribers. If you are yet to like our videos and subscribe to our channel, kindly do that, as this is the only way to support the channel. Without further ado, let's go into today's video. What is a smart contract? A smart contract is a self-executing contract with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. The code and the agreements contained in the contract exist across a distributed and decentralized blockchain network. The code controls the execution and ensures transactions are trackable and irreversible. We are also going to be looking at a brief history about smart contract and how does it work. If you find this content helpful, kindly click on the subscribe button and hit the like button below. Here's a short story about smart contract. It was first proposed in 1994 by Nick Szabo. Who is Nick Szabo? Well, Nick Szabo is an American computer scientist who invented a virtual currency called BitGold in 1998, fully 10 years before the invention of Bitcoin. In fact, Szabo is often rumored to be the real Satoshi Nakamoto, the anonymous inventor of Bitcoin, which Szabo himself has attested not being part of the invention of Bitcoin. Szabo also defined a smart contract as an automated transaction protocol that executes the terms of a contract. He wanted to extend the functionality of electronic transaction methods, such as point of sale, POS, to the digital world. In his paper, Szabo also proposed the execution of a contract for synthetic assets, such as derivatives and bonds. Szabo's idea would have made a very complex payment system that can now be built into standardized contracts and traded with low transaction costs. Many of Szabo's predictions in the paper came true in ways preceding blockchain technology. For example, derivatives trading is now mostly conducted through computer networks using complex term structures. What are the uses of smart contract? Smart contracts can be used in a variety of fields, from government voting system, to healthcare, to financial services and supply chain. We are also going to be looking at the benefit of smart contracts in each of these fields. General voting system. Smart contracts provide a secure environment, making the voting system less susceptible to manipulation. Votes using smart contracts would be ledger protected, which is extremely difficult to decode. Moreover, smart contracts could increase the turnover of voters, which is historically low due to the inefficient system that requires voters to line up, show identity, and complete forms. Voting, when transferred online using smart contracts, can increase the number of participants in a voting system. Healthcare and records can be secured using smart contract. The blockchain can store the encoded health records of patients with a private key. Only specific individuals would be granted access to the records for privacy concerns. Similarly, research can be conducted confidentially and securely using smart contracts. All hospital receipts of patients can be stored on the blockchain and automatically shared with insurance companies as proof of service. Moreover, the ledger can be used for different activities, such as managing supplies, supervising drugs, and regulation compliance. What are the benefits of financial service using smart contract? Smart contracts help in transforming traditional financial services in multiple ways. In the case of insurance claims, they perform error checking, routing, and transfer payments to the user if everything is found appropriate. Smart contracts incorporate critical tools for bookkeeping and eliminate the possibility of infiltration of accounting records. They also enable shareholders to take part in decision-making in a transparent way. Also, they help in trade clearing, where the funds are transferred once the amounts of trade settlements are calculated. What are the uses of supply chain in smart contract? Traditionally, supply chains suffer due to paper-based systems where forms pass through multiple channels to get approvals. The laborious process increases the risk of fraud and loss. Blockchain can nullify such risks by delivering an accessible and secure digital version to parties involved in the chain. Smart contracts can be used for inventory management and the automation of payments and tasks. We are going to be looking at the benefit of smart contract. If you find this content helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button, like, and also share this video with friends and families. Speed can be seen as part of the benefit of using smart contract. Smart contracts automate tasks by using computer protocols, saving hours of various business processes. Part of smart contract benefits includes autonomy and savings. Smart contracts do not need brokers or other intermediaries to confirm the agreement. This way, they eliminate the risk of manipulation by third parties. Moreover, the absence of intermediary in smart contracts results in cost savings. Smart contract also provides backup for important files. All the documents stored on blockchain are duplicated multiple times. This way, originals can be restored in the event of any data loss. Another benefit of smart contract is safety. Smart contracts are encrypted, and cryptography keeps all the documents safe from infiltration. Smart contracts are very accurate. Using smart contracts results in the elimination of errors that occur due to the manual filling of numerous forms. What are the common issues with smart contract? Smart contracts are almost impossible to alter. Any errors in the code can be time-consuming and expensive to correct. Possibility of loopholes. According to the concept of good faith, parties will deal fairly and not get benefits unethically from a contract. However, using smart contracts makes it difficult to ensure that the terms are met according to what was agreed upon. Third-party issues with smart contract. Although smart contracts seek to eliminate third-party involvement, it is not possible to eliminate them. Third parties assume different roles from the ones they take in traditional contracts. For example, lawyers will not be needed to prepare individual contracts. However, they will be needed by developers to understand the terms to create codes for smart contracts. That's the video, guys. Like the video, subscribe, and also turn on the bell notification icon. So when we upload new videos, you will get notified immediately. See you guys soon and stay safe.